Well, guys, since it's Halloween, we have Timothy. Yeah, so Timothy is the same. It's the same shape as Thomas, but has a number 0 and all that. This custom very, very inspired me. This actually very inspired me. Oh my God. Something just scared me out of the corner. But yeah, Timothy is a great engine. Just like Percy when he was disguising as a ghost. Well, there's nothing really else to say about this model thing. Well, yeah. I might be using this for Timothy or whatever. Timothy in my series. Well, yeah, nothing. Well, I guess there's nothing else to talk about this. And I'll show you my other Timothy. This is very annoying. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, we're not even gonna do anything, but I'll talk about this a little more. Okay, now this one looks a lot worse. Yeah. This looks a lot worse. I actually do not recommend you do one of these, because you might not like this. Yeah, this one has better wheels, but no white foot plate. And the creepiest and has that kind of cab. Has still the blue Thomas. This was a Mattel blue Thomas. Is for like some like take and play whatever. I don't know, but black coal is missing. Okay, yeah, we're not going to review that anymore. Well, this Timothy looks a lot better. Yeah. Well, Johnny Franco F signing off with this custom Timothy. Goodbye. Like and subscribe.